The Keebmon, the only computer you'll ever need. Let me ask you something. How many times have you sat down at a coffee shop, cracked open your laptop, and immediately felt that sinking feeling? The one where you realize you forgot your mouse, your external keyboard is at home, and the screen is just barely wide enough to make you feel like you're working through a mail slot. Yeah, we've all been there. And for years, the tech industry's answer to that problem has been, just deal with it. But today, I'm going to show you something that makes every other portable computer on the market look like it was designed by someone who's never actually used a computer. This device is called the Keebmon, and I genuinely don't know whether to call it a keyboard, a monitor, or a full desktop PC because it's somehow all three. Stick around because by the end of this video, you're going to understand why this thing raised nearly $500,000 on Kickstarter and why it might be the most important piece of tech you'll see this year. What is the Keebmon exactly? Alright, so let's paint a picture. Imagine you're holding what looks, at first glance, like a perfectly normal mechanical keyboard. It's got that satisfying weight to it. The keys have proper travel, proper feedback, the kind that makes typing feel like music instead of a chore. But then, and here's where it gets interesting, you flip open a panel above the keys, and suddenly there's a 13-inch ultra-wide display staring back at you. No laptop, no separate monitor stand, no USB hub daisy-chained to 3 different dongles held together by hope and zip ties. Just one object. Unfolded, it gives you a 21:9 ultra-wide workspace, the kind of screen ratio that creative professionals, coders, and writers actually prefer for getting serious work done. Folded shut, it drops flat into your bag like it doesn't even exist. It's the kind of engineering that makes you wonder why no one built this sooner. The Keebmon isn't a concept device. It isn't a prototype someone 3D printed in a garage. It's a real, shipping, fully spec'd computer, and the numbers under the hood are going to make your jaw drop. But before we get there, quick note, I've got a link in the description for deals on this and other gear. Check it out while you're watching. There's no obligation, but trust me, it's worth a look. The specs that make your desktop jealous. Okay, let's talk about what's actually powering this thing, because this is where the Keebmon goes from cool gadget to wait. This is legitimately serious hardware. At the core, you're looking at an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370. That's not a mobile chip they quietly throttled down to preserve battery life. That's a full performance processor with dedicated AI acceleration built right in, paired with up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, not soldered, not locked, actually upgradable, and up to 8 terabytes of NVMe storage across 2 PCIe Gen 4 slots. 8 terabytes in a keyboard. Let that sit for a second. For context, most laptops at this price tier give you soldered RAM you can never touch again and a single M2 slot that tops out at 2 terabytes. The Keebmon engineers looked at that approach, laughed, and went in the complete opposite direction. Every major component is user serviceable. You can swap the switches on the keyboard when you want a different feel. You can upgrade the memory when your workload grows. You can expand storage when your project files inevitably take over your life. This isn't disposable tech. It's built like a machine that's supposed to last. And the chassis, solid aluminum throughout. Not the cheap magnesium aluminum blend that flexes when you press on it. Proper aluminum that conducts heat away from the processor efficiently, so you're not sitting in a cloud of warm air every time you render something. The port that changes everything. Now, I want to spend a moment on something most reviewers are going to gloss over because I think it's actually the most important feature on this entire device. And most people won't even know what it means when they read it in the spec sheet. It's called OQLink. If you've never heard of it, you're not alone. OQLink has almost exclusively existed in the world of high-end workstations and enterprise servers. It's an external PCIe connection running at full Gen 4 speeds. In plain English, it means you can plug in an external GPU, a high-speed storage array, or almost any PCIe device directly into this keyboard computer, and it performs as if that hardware were mounted inside a desktop tower. Think about what that actually means. You carry the Keebmon to a coffee shop, do your writing or coding or spreadsheet work. You get home, you plug it into an external GPU enclosure, and suddenly you've got a workstation-class graphics setup. No resyncing files, no cloud uploads, no, let me transfer this to my desktop first. The same machine, the same files, more power, instantly. This is what docking should have always looked like. And the fact that this feature is sitting inside something you carry in a bag is quietly revolutionary. The display, connectivity, and real-world usability. Let's talk about the screen for a moment, because screen quality can make or break any portable device no matter how good the internals are. The Keebmon runs a 1920 by 720 display in that 21:9 ultra-wide format. And before you scrunch your nose at that resolution, hear me out. At 13 inches, that pixel density is entirely appropriate for a portable workspace. And more importantly, the aspect ratio is the real gift here. Having that extra horizontal real estate means you can have a document open on the left and a reference browser on the right without feeling like you're reading through a periscope. 10-point multi-touch is baked in as well, so if you'd rather swipe and tap than reach for the trackpad, the screen handles it natively. On the connectivity side, the Keebmon doesn't cut corners. You get two USB 4 ports running at 40 gigabits per second each. USB-C with 100-watt power delivery that actually charges the device at a reasonable speed. HDMI 2.1 for driving an external monitor when you're at a fixed desk. And of course, that OCuLink port we just talked about. Wireless connectivity covers Wi-Fi 7 and LTE, so whether you're in a building with a great network or sitting in a field somewhere, you've got options. The 70-watt-hour battery is something I genuinely appreciate for one reason: honesty. The Keebmon's marketing doesn't claim you'll get 15 hours of productivity on a single charge with an AI-enabled Ryzen processor running full tilt. That would be a lie. And we've all been burned by those lies before. The 70-watt-hour battery gives you a realistic workday's worth of power under normal use. And when you need more, that 100-watt charging gets you back up quickly. The backstory and why it matters. Here's the part of this story that I think deserves more attention than it's getting. The Keebmon didn't come from a billion-dollar tech conglomerate with a marketing budget the size of a small country. It started as a Kickstarter campaign. The team set a funding goal of $6,000, which, in Kickstarter terms, is them saying, "We just need enough to know people care." What they got back was nearly $500,000. That's not a fluke. That's not a viral moment that faded in a week. That's a very loud, very clear signal from real people who are genuinely exhausted by the compromises that the mainstream tech industry keeps forcing on them. Every person who backed that campaign was essentially saying, "I am tired of choosing between a good keyboard and a good screen. I am tired of carrying 3 devices when I should only need 1. I am tired of buying a laptop that looks thin and sleek right up until the moment I actually try to use it for something serious." The Keebmon exists because that frustration hit a breaking point. And the build quality, solid hinges, non-flexing keys, aluminum construction that doesn't creak or warp, reflects a team that understood the assignment. Build something people will still be using in 5 years. Closing and call to action. So here's where we land. Most portable computers ask you to make a trade: power or portability, great keyboard or slim profile, real screen real estate or battery life. The Keebmon's answer to all of those trade-offs is a firm, well-engineered no. It folds open when you need everything. It folds shut when you need nothing. And that OQLink port means it can grow with you in ways no other portable device can even pretend to offer. If you're someone who actually works on a computer, not just browses, not just streams, this is worth your attention. The link for deals is in the description below. Go check it out. And if you want to see something that pushes portable computing even further, I've got the next video queued up right now. Huawei just launched a 2-in-1 laptop and smart tablet that is genuinely years ahead of what most people think is possible. Click it. You won't regret it.